Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high. We can start again, laughing to the end, screaming at the top, hope it never stops. We could do it all over, thrill is bringing us closer, superstar you're like Nova. Oh, so incredible one time, gotta let it go tonight, wanna know what it feels like, yeah. We going up, we take it down, let's spice it up, baby, right here and now.
Dito tayo sa CF Moto, may kawayan. Tour natin tong mga available units dito. Yan, 500 SR Boom in Sapphire Blue. They also have the Nebula Black andun. Napunta natin. 800 NK. Have several 800 MTs here. The MT Sport. And the MT Touring. And of course the 450 MT. Meron pa silang blue unit here, kamukha nung sa atin. So if you're looking for a blue one, I have one here. I have several CLCs here, a couple of bobber types, and the standard one. Then 150SC, the new 150SC scooter. Kaka-review lang ni Sir Sak nito. Yan. $650 NK. Another $650 NK in black. The 300 NK and the 150 NK. Then we have another Papio here. Yung isa nandun sa entrance. Balikan natin mamaya. 300 CLX. Another one. And the 650 MT. 700 CLX. Have 3 here. And the CLX in sport. Naka-sport seat siya. Alright. Ito nga pala yung another 500 SR Voom. Pogi. Inline 4 Screamer. And they still another at 150SC GT650s, 800 NK again. Then may stock sila ng isang 450 SR dito, the 300 SR, then 150SC ulit. Wala silang 450 NK. Wala silang 450 NK ngayon. Masyado kasing mabili. So, naubos yung units nila. You have some accessories there. And here, you have some jackets, some pants, and some bags. And, yep, ito tayo sa harap. Ito yung isang Papio. The Racer. Cute. Diba? So, gusto nyo tumingin ng CF Motobikes, punta na kayo dito sa may kawayan. Malapit lang siya sa toll gate. So, along service road. Alright. That's it. Bye. Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye, CF Moto. Okay, yun na tayo. Wala yata tayong audio kanina nung papunta. Anyway, yun, pa-BMS lang tayo. Ang pinayaran lang natin ay around nasa 500 plus. Kasi may dala tayo sarili natin langis. Pero kung bibili nyo yung langis sa kanila, total yung gamit nila ng brand, sa 400 siya, 1 litro. Tapos yung oil filter is 505. So bali ang binayaran lang natin is yung oil filter. Service is free pa naman dahil first PMS.
Know those moments when all your worries hit again and eat your time. So let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end and turn out fine. Yeah. Every night crashes down on you like an avalanche, opening up the deepest parts of your thoughts, and all you find is deeper shades of blue. Let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? But leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight off your shoulders. Show 'em what you're made of. Right here, right now. Ain't no worries when you let loose.
Natin tatapusin ulit ang ating vlog. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa pagpapay-PMS at pag-tour sa CF Moto Showroom sa may Kawayan. See you our next vlog. Bye.